What are you doing today?
What am I doing today?
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat 9 pancakes. It's the supercharged stack, apparently she called it. 9. With hot chocolate. We've got crumbled Anzac biscuits, salted caramel sauce, vanilla ice cream, and strawberry banana.
Love that. You ready for him to hate himself? I just ate normal pancakes because I'm not an idiot. Wow. 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 My tiny ass. Damn, son.
I'm fucking admitting defeat already.
No.
You got 10 minutes to eat this.
Do it.
Just eat it quicker. Don't think
hard.
about the pain. It's not that hard. I've seen you eat more content.
Exactly.
But not in half an hour. I feel like I'm gonna fucking vomit.
No. You should have like exercised yesterday.
Smell those mushrooms over there with what I'm eating. It's like fucking me up right now.
Ew. No.
It's so hard to swallow.
There's so much to go.
I don't even like. I feel like I gotta tap out.
No.
I'm enjoying that a lot more.
Well, that's at least something's being enjoyed, really. Oh, don't die.
I don't think I'm a speed eater.
Just a volume eater.
Thanks, babe. That meal suffers from this. It's not sweet enough. Nothing sweet enough.
No. No.
Very spoonful I put in my mouth like right in the middle.
How did they graduate in 10 minutes?
Once I hit just over that 15-minute mark, I was like,
Too much.
There's still quite a bit to go too. Disappointing. Can I try it though?
You've got the mentality for it, unlike some. You could do it. Don't let the empty man.
Do it.
you're gonna make the family proud, man.
Yeah, I'll do it. But sheep cattle country, so yeah. That sounds good.
Wow.
I need more biscuits on that.
Alright.
Get set. Go. 30 minutes.
Yes!
Oh my god.
Use that spare plate, bro.
Up on here.
That milkshake's blocking your way.
Yeah, they're right.
I reckon I should come with this.
Thanks, baby.
Can you add it to
Save it.
All in, bro, all in.
Still good.
It's drowning in sauce, wow.
There's way too much sauce.
Yeah, that's a lot of sauce. They know that's gonna make it more challenging.
I think that's the challenge. Not the pancakes, but just the sauce.
Should we do like the caramel sauce challenge?
Yeah. Yeah, it's so much sauce.
Amazing.
You're doing really well, bro.
Yeah, as I say, you've got this, but like there's a lot of sauce in there.
You're burning that.
Yeah.
I'm proud.
Not bad, not bad. It's pancake soup.
Yeah, literally.
Not like
You get fancy, bro. I hate myself. Focus, bro, focus. All in.
Come on, we need some Katy Perry.
Hilarious.
Do you know we need Britney Spears? Britney Spears. Yeah.
Tears for fears.
Britney, bitch. Yes.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's the spirit. Get amongst it.
Come on.
You're doing well, though.
do we have left in this one?
Oh,
that is so doable. It's so doable.
you can do this.
Can you get him to bring a box, please?
Oh my god.
God, no.
50 seconds, here we go.
This is painful.
Still got the hot chocolate. Alright, ready? For 20 seconds now.
And just that.
Just the chalky, bro. 13, 12, 11.
Good job, mate.
He's like, bye, Felicia.
Seconds to spare.
You're gonna hold it for 5 minutes, bro. Hold it in. Hold it in.
He just vomited outside. Mel's here. It's bad lighting.
But we're not even hanging out. You
No,
just
I know.
waited for me to say hi like
I
a
just
weirdo.
wanted to say hi. Like a weirdo.
Creepy, actually.
But just because I love you. That's why. Look. Hello, Mel. Hey. What?
feel sick.
Why? Is it because there's like 9 pancakes in there?
I didn't even finish it.
8 pancakes, because I'm pretty sure I just ate 1.
Oh, at least I didn't vomit.
Could have been worse.
Maybe I should have vomited.
No. Like,
Put me in the bin.
R.I.P.
Put me in the fucking bin.
Watching. We went for a walk and it was raining. What a fucking riveting day. Look at it. Oh. Welcome to autumn. But we spent the nice part of the afternoon where it was sunny, we spent that inside watching Ant-Man, so you know.
Ant-Man.
That's what you get. That's what you get for that. What are you doing?
See you.
Bye. Be safe. Really?
For an up-and-coming local business. And it just so happens that I have a great deal
All
of
the yums.
influence at our neighborhood fish store.